Hello students, how are you? I hope you are well and healthy at your home and you are doing your study carefully. And I am here with a new video of chapter number 6 accounting equation. अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन में आपने कुछ ट्रांजैक्शंस को रिकॉर्ड करना सीखा था. हाउ दीज ट्रांजैक्शन affect our capital, assets and liabilities, and after that our equation is also satisfied. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So today I am giving some another transactions and show the effect of those transactions on assets and liabilities. So question is, special transactions show the effects of assets, liabilities and capital of John Brothers. John Brothers के ये accounts हैं and he want to show the effect on assets and liabilities and capital of these transactions. First transaction is started business with cash rupees 50,000 and goods rupees 30,000. अब जॉन ब्रदर्स ने जो है अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है कैश 50,000 से और गुड्स जो है 30,000 से. सो हेयर ट्रांजैक्शन, हेयर एसेट्स एंड फर्स्ट एसेट्स इज कैश and second asset is goods, and by this he invests the capital in business, then his capital becomes total. That means first transaction is started business with cash एंड गुड्स. इस ट्रांजैक्शन का इफेक्ट तो अब तक आपको लर्न हो चुका होगा. ही स्टार्टेड हिज बिजनेस विद कैश दैट 50,000 इज इंक्रीज एंड नाउ ही ब्रिंग 30,000 गुड्स, दैट टोटल कैपिटल बिकम 50 प्लस 80,000. दैट मीन्स जॉन ब्रदर्स इन्वेस्टेड 80,000 in his business. Now second transaction, fresh capital invested rupees 50,000. सेकेंड ट्रांजेक्शन में उसको फिर कैपिटल उसने इन्वेस्ट कर दी, तो दैट मीन्स ही ब्रिंग कैश इज इंक्रीज. when he invested capital in the business, then cash is increased by 50,000. And secondly, capital is also increased by 30,000. So we add in the cash and capital. Second transaction, fresh capital invested. 50,000 cash increase हो जाएगा and 50,000 capital. Now we show the effect of these transaction, left hand side and right hand side. Now 1 lakh cash plus 30,000 goods, and here capital is 1,30,000. Now next transaction, deposited in bank account rupees 30,000. अब उसने क्या किया, कैश थी उसके पास and now he invested money 30,000 from cash to bank account. By this he withdraw cash, that means 30,000 जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाएंगे. वो अपनी पॉकेट से 30,000 रुपीज लेकर के बैंक में डिपॉजिट कराएगा. सो दैट बैंक कैश इज डिक्रीज बाय 30,000 and bank balance is increased by 30,000. And bank balance is also a asset. So by this, one asset is decreased cash and second another asset is increased, that is bank account. And this effect have no effect on capital. So Third transaction, deposited into bank. From cash 30,000 decrease, and now new asset become 30,000 bank account bank balance, and there is no effect on capital. So now cash becomes 70,000, goods 30,000 plus 30,000 bank balance, and capital is equal to 1,30,000. Next transaction is bought motorcycle for personal use. पर्सनल यूज के लिए उसने मोटरसाइकिल परचेज किया. दैट मीन्स ड्रॉइंग्स. हियर वी राइट bought मोटरसाइकिल फॉर पर्सनल यूज. अब उसने पर्सनल यूज के लिए मोटरसाइकिल खरीदी है. बाय दिस ट्रांजैक्शन कैश इज डिक्रीज बाय 30,000, क्योंकि मोटरसाइकिल लेने जाएंगे. व्हेन वी गो टू बाय मोटरसाइकिल वी पे द मनी इन कैश. 30,000 कैश इज डिक्रीज एंड it is drawings. So drawings decrease the capital. Drawings decrease the capital because he bought motorcycle for personal use, that is the drawings, and drawings decrease the capital. Then effect of this transaction is cash is decreased 30,000 and capital is also decreased by 30,000 cost of motorcycle. Now we check the net effect of the transaction. Here remaining cash is 40,000, 30,000 goods plus 30,000 bank balance, and capital become 1 lakh. Now you check the left hand side and right hand side. Is it equal? Yes. 40,000, 30,000 plus 30,000, 1 lakh. Now next transaction, transaction number 5. Received rent from tenant. Tenant means we take a property and give the rent, but we sublet the some part of the property, that is called tenants. We receive the rent from tenants, that means it is income. By this cash is increased by 1,500 and same income, that it is increased capital by 1,500. So we record in our books right here received rent from tenants. Here 1,500 increase and it increase also capital. Now new equation become cash become 41,500, 30,000 goods plus 30,000 bank balance, and now capital become 1,01,500. Next transaction is transaction number 6. Transaction number 6, purchased furniture for office use 6,000, for household use 1,000. उसने जो है वो फर्नीचर परचेज किया है 6,000 का फॉर ऑफिस यूज एंड 1,000 फॉर household, that means drawing. How can we record? First of all, we record the only this part. Purchased furniture for office use. Purchase furniture for office use. It will decrease the cash 6,000 and a new asset become furniture 6,000. There is no change on capital. Now cash become 35,500 plus 30,000 plus 30,000 bank balance plus 6,000 furniture, and capital is 1,01,500. Now we record the second part of 6 transaction. He purchased furniture for household use rupees 1,000, and household use furniture purchase, that is considered drawings. You write here purchased furniture for personal use. It will decrease the cash, because when we go to market to purchase a furniture and paid the money in cash, so it will reduce cash by 1,000, and it is considered as drawing, that it will reduce capital 1,000. So that means it is subtracted from cash 1,000 and deduction from capital 1,000. Now new equation become 34,500 cash plus 30,000 goods plus 30,000 bank plus 6,000 furniture, and drawings become, capital become 1,05,000. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now transaction number 7, security received from tenant. Tenant, I explained earlier, tenants are those person which we give the some part of the property for subletting, and security received, security means some that means investment, FD. ओके, सो ये सिक्योरिटी जो टेनेंट ने हमें दी है 50,000 की, ये हमारे लिए एक इन्वेस्टमेंट है, और साथ के साथ क्या है, ये हमारे लिए लाइबिलिटी है, क्योंकि आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन ही लीव अवर प्रॉपर्टी, जब वो हमारी प्रॉपर्टी को छोड़ के जाएगा, तो वी हैव टू पे द सिक्योरिटी रिफंड. तो ये सिक्योरिटी एक वन टाइम, इन वन साइडेड इट इज अवर एसेट and second side it is our liability. And how can we record it? And security is called investment. So asset increase investment, and now this investment become liability named creditors. So it increased 50,000. So we record in the transaction security received from tenants, that is become investment, and next liability name is creditors, because when he leave our home, leave our property, then we will refund this money. So investment is increased by 50,000 and creditors is increased by 50,000. Now we check the record. Cash 34,500, goods 30,000 and bank 30,000. And now liability become 50,000 creditors plus 1,05,000 capital. Now recording of transaction number 8, invested in shares rupees 10,000 personal. Personal means drawings, and invested in share, उसने पर्सनल पर्पस के लिए शेयर्स में मनी जो है इन्वेस्ट की है, सो दैट मीन्स इट इज कंसिडर ड्रॉइंग. और इन्वेस्टेड इन शेयर्स जो है वो मनी कहाँ से डिडक्ट हो जाएगी, बैंक से, नॉट इन कैश. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट रिड्यूस द कैश बाय बैंक अकाउंट बाय 10,000, एंड second is consider drawings because he invested in share for personal use. Now check the net effect. 34,500 cash, 30,000 bank goods and now 20,000 bank balance plus 6,000 furniture and 50,000 investment, 50,000 creditors and 90,500 capital. Next is interest on drawings. Very interesting transaction. Interest on drawings. Some drawings decrease the capital and interest on drawings is also decrease the capital. So we first of all drawings deduct the capital and same interest on drawings increase the capital. ये 1000 रुपीज जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स हैं ये क्या होगा, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स जो हैं वो एक साइड से हमारी कैपिटल को डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं तो साथ के साथ हमारी कैपिटल को इंक्रीज भी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि क्या है ओनर जो है इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स पे करेगा तो कैपिटल इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, ये बिजनेस की इनकम हो गई। सेकंड क्या है कि ड्राइंग्स जो हैं वो पे कौन करेगा, बिजनेसमैन ने पे, बिजनेस ने पे करना है, सो इट विल increase the capital. So there is net effect is capital is as usual 50,000 creditor, and last transaction is goods costing rupees 24,000 sold at 33% into 1/3% profit and half payment received in cash. So how can you record this transaction in the accounting equation? First of all, we find the selling price. Selling price is equal to 24,000 cost price. Profit is 33 into 1/3, that means 100/3, and removing the percentage 1/100, that means 8,000 profit. Now selling price become 8,000 is profit. Selling price become 24,000 plus 8,000 is equal to 32,000, and half payment received cash, half payment become 16,000, that means by 16,000 cash is increased. Next 16,000 not received, that means it will increase the another asset named debtors. जो 16,000 उसने फ्यूचर में पे करने हैं तो वो हमारे लिए एक अनदर एसेट बन जाएगा डेटर्स, बट आवर गुड्स आर डिक्रीज बाय 24,000, हमारी गुड्स जो हैं वो 24,000 से डिक्रीज हो जाएंगी। क्लियर? एंड इन दिस ट्रांजैक्शन इवेंट हैज हैपन दैट प्रॉफिट 8,000 एंड प्रॉफिट विल increase the capital. So I hope you understand this transaction. By this transaction cash is increased by 16,000 and debtors is increased by 16,000 and next goods are reduced 24,000 and profit increase capital by 8,000. Now total become 50,500 cash, 6,000 goods, 20,000 bank balance, 6,000 furniture, 50,000 investment and 16,000 debtors. After that 50,000 creditors plus 98,500 capital. Now we check the result of left hand side is equal to right hand side. So left hand side assets, here liabilities, creditors is equal to 50,000, capital is equal to 98,500, total become 1,48,500 right hand side. Now we total the assets, cash 50,500, goods 6,000, next bank 20,000, next furniture 6,000, next investment 50,000, and last debtors is equal to 16,000. Total it 1,48,500. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. I hope you understand this special transaction. Remember this, interest on drawings special transaction hai. It affect our capital only, no effect some it is increase and decrease. And second, security received from tenants, it is considered as investment क्योंकि security है, but it create liabilities also. I hope you understand all this transaction. Thank you. Have a nice day.